When the lights go out and the grid fails, staying informed isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. You need gear that doesn't rely on wall outlets or perfect conditions. And this 5,000 milliamp hours emergency weather radio is the ultimate survival companion. It's designed to be your lifeline when you need it most, ensuring you stay connected, visible, and prepared no matter what the situation throws your way. This isn't just a radio, it's a self-powered powerhouse. With its massive 5,000 milliamp hours internal battery, it acts as a reliable power bank, giving you the ability to charge your phone or small devices when you're off the grid. The best part is the versatility in how you keep it running. You can juice it up via USB-C, let the solar panel soak up energy during the day, or use the integrated hand crank to generate power on demand. Whether you're dealing with a sudden storm or planning a remote camping trip, you'll never have to worry about a dead battery. When it comes to staying ahead of the weather, this device is a total pro. It scans AM, FM, and SW bands, but more importantly, it provides direct access to NOAA weather alerts. It's built to trigger an automatic, loud alarm the moment severe weather is detected in your area, meaning you get a head start on safety before the situation escalates. It's also packed with thoughtful features for real-world emergencies. The ultra-bright flashlight and reading light ensure you aren't left in the dark, while the loud, attention-grabbing SOS siren makes sure you can signal for help if you're ever in a tough spot. It even includes a dedicated headphone jack for private listening. Rugged, compact, and ready for anything, it's the kind of essential gear that gives you total peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your emergency kit with a tool that truly has your back, click the link below for the best price.